Lazy cherry berry pie. That's kind of a tongue twister, low key. Anyway, y'all, when I'm at home, let me reiterate, I do this for a living, so I do not feel like making the sun, the stars, and the moon, possibly heaven, from scratch every time I step into the kitchen. Anyway, add some fresh squeezed lemon juice and sugar, a pinch of cinnamon to some frozen fruit, any frozen fruit. This recipe is multi-purpose, and I didn't have any cornstarch, but flour is a really good thickener when you're making fruit pies. It should look like that. Also, I've been on a cherry kick. I have zero explanation for that. Secondly, yes, this is store-bought crust. I'm getting ready to go out of the country for 3 weeks, so I need to get rid of everything that's in the freezer, in the fridge, and I don't want it to go to waste. Thirdly, I think it is extremely clutch to use a pizza cutter when you're trying to make pie strips. It is very precise, and who doesn't love an evenly, precisely cut pie strip? That was like crazy how I just said that. Anyway, take 1 egg, make an egg wash so that the pie crust will come out golden brown when you take it out of the oven. I also sprinkled a pinch of sugar on top of that. That's like a fat chef tip that I love, and boom.